Waarom ga je mijn oor knauwelen? Ga je mijn oortje knauwelen? Ja, waarom doe je dat?
Paco's second chance from fear to family.
Paco's goed. Wat ben jij mooi. Goed gedaan.
I will never forget the first time I saw Paco. He was huddled up in a corner of a trailer park, trembling, his eyes darting around in pure fear. Even a simple cup on the table was enough to make him flinch. I could almost feel his panic. And in that moment, I knew this wasn't going to be easy. But I also knew there was no way we could just walk away. We later learned Paco had lived with his first owner for 7 years. Then, for reasons no one fully understood, that man handed him off to a dealer. Maybe Paco had gotten too loud. Maybe he started biting. Whatever the reason, it was obvious he had been mistreated, and somewhere along the way, he completely lost his trust in people. Before bringing him home, we thought we were ready. We read the books, watched the videos, listened to advice from other bird owners, but nothing really prepared us for the depth of his fear. Paco was scared of everything, movement, sounds, even our hands. It broke my heart to see him like that. Still, we decided to take it slow. Every single day, I spent hours just sitting beside him, talking softly, showing him that nothing bad was going to happen anymore. No force, no anger, only patience and gentle encouragement. Some days it felt like we were moving backward instead of forward, but then one day he came a little closer. A few weeks later, he stopped biting, and months later, he let me touch him. The moment his little head leaned against my hand, my eyes filled with tears. It's been 3 years since then, and today, Paco isn't just a parrot in our home, he's family. We spend so much time together. He goes on bike rides with us, joins us on walks, and when we rest, he's always right there by our side, calm, content, and dare I say, happy. The forest is his favorite place. I'll never forget the first time we took him camping. He perched on a branch, spread his wings, and took the deepest breath like he had finally found where he belonged. He just sat there quietly, soaking it all in. And I thought to myself, maybe this is what healing looks like. Paco has grown so affectionate. He loves to snuggle up next to me, closing his eyes when I scratch his head. Sometimes, he even leans in asking for a kiss. We joke that he doesn't need French kisses, but Paco insists on showing love in his own little way. Of course, like any Amazon parrot, he's got personality. He can be stubborn, he can throw a fit, and he definitely knows how to make his opinions known. But you know what? That's the beautiful part. He's no longer that broken, terrified bird. He's a soul that knows where he belongs. The kids call him their little green brother, and Paco loves them right back. You can see it in the way he interacts with them. I like to tease that I only rank third in Paco's heart, and my poor husband, well, he comes in last. When Paco first came home, he also struggled physically. He was overweight, clumsy, and we later learned his old owner had clipped his wings far too early before he ever had the chance to learn to fly. Can you imagine a bird growing up never knowing what it feels like to fly? He can fly now, but truth be told, he doesn't care to. He prefers to stay close to us. Unlike many parrots, Paco isn't loud or talkative. He's quiet, observant, and incredibly smart. Especially in the winter, when we're all indoors together, he loves learning new tricks. He picks things up quickly and loves showing off what he can do. We even have a few little games just between him and me that no one else understands. No, Paco wasn't rescued from a burning house or pulled out of a storm, but in his own way, he was rescued. He was given a chance to start over, to heal, to trust, and to love again. And he took that chance with everything he had. Watching him grow into the bird he is today has been one of the greatest gifts of my life. If Paco's story touches your heart, I hope you'll like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more stories like his. And if you're ever considering adopting an animal, especially an exotic one, please prepare yourself well, do the research, talk to experts, and make sure you understand their needs before bringing them home. These animals aren't decorations, and they aren't toys. They are living souls who deserve patience, kindness, and respect. Paco has taught me that healing takes time, but the reward is far greater than anything you could imagine. Who knows? Maybe his story will inspire you to give another soul the chance to feel safe, loved, and truly part of a family.